Did you know that right now, thousands of Americans are losing money to their landlords, completely legally, simply because they don't know their rights? Your landlord knows the law. Your landlord's lawyer knows the law, but nobody told you until today. Stay with me for the next 7 minutes because what you're about to learn could save you thousands of dollars. Welcome to U.S. Legal Simplified, where we break down complex American laws into simple, clear language that anyone can understand. I'm not a lawyer, and that's exactly the point. This is information for regular people, explained in simple terms. Let's get into it. Number 1, the right to a habitable home. No matter which state you live in, whether you're in Texas, California, New York, or anywhere else, your landlord is legally required to provide you a safe, livable home. This is called the implied warranty of habitability. What does that mean for you? It means your landlord must fix broken heating or air conditioning, leaking roofs or pipes, pest or rodent infestations, mold problems, and broken locks or security issues. If your landlord refuses to fix these issues after written notice, you may have the legal right to withhold rent, repair and deduct, or even break your lease without penalty. Important tip: always send repair requests in writing, text message or email, so you have proof. Number 2. Protection against illegal entry. Your home is your space, even if you're renting. In most U.S. states, your landlord must give you at least 24 to 48 hours notice before entering your apartment or house. They cannot just walk in whenever they want. They cannot send someone to your home unannounced, except in a genuine emergency like a fire or flood. If your landlord is entering without notice, that may be considered harassment, and you could have legal options. Always check your specific state law, but this protection exists in almost every state in America. Number 3, and this is the one most renters don't know about. Your security deposit has rules. When you move out, your landlord cannot just keep your security deposit because they feel like it. Laws say your landlord must return your deposit within a specific time period. In most states, that's 14 to 30 days after you move out. If they keep any part of your deposit, they must send you an itemized written list explaining exactly what they charged for. And normal wear and tear does not count as damage. A small nail hole in the wall? Slightly worn carpet after 3 years? That's normal. Your landlord cannot charge you for that. If your landlord keeps your deposit illegally, you can sue them in small claims court, and in many states, you can win 2 to 3 times the deposit amount as a penalty. Number 4, protection from discrimination. The Federal Fair Housing Act protects you from discrimination in housing based on race or color, religion, national origin, sex or gender, family status, and disability. This means a landlord cannot refuse to rent to you, charge you more, or treat you differently because of any of these reasons. Many states add even more protected categories like sexual orientation or source of income. If you believe you've been discriminated against, you can file a complaint with the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, also known as HUD, completely for free. Number 5, protection against illegal eviction. Your landlord cannot throw you out on the street, no matter what they say. Even if you miss rent payments, your landlord must follow a specific legal process to evict you. That process includes written notice first, usually 3 to 30 days depending on the state, then filing a court case, then a court hearing where you can defend yourself, and only a judge can order an eviction. Your landlord cannot change your locks without a court order. They cannot remove your belongings. They cannot shut off your utilities to force you out. They cannot physically remove you from the property. These are called self-help evictions, and they are illegal in every state in America. If your landlord does any of these things, call local law enforcement immediately and document everything. So let's quickly recap your 5 rights as a renter in the United States. 1. The right to a habitable, safe home. 2. Protection against illegal entry. 3. Your security deposit has strict rules. 4. Protection from housing discrimination. 5. Protection against illegal eviction. Knowledge is your best defense. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It helps more Americans find this information when they need it most. Subscribe to U.S. Legal Simplified, because every week we're bringing you more laws that protect you. And comment below. Tell me which right surprised you the most. I'll see you in the next video.